Hello, this is your tutorial for the AvaBot system. So your grip buttons on your controllers are how you activate the movement mode. The right hand will move you forward, the left hand will move you backwards, and if you press both, you'll go faster forwards. Then on your controllers, these are your radial menus. You can use your thumb pad to access these. Over here you have resizing and movement modes. Then on this hand you have the camera, prefab placer, painting tool, prefab eraser. So let's go ahead and fly over here. So to use one of these radial menu buttons, you simply move your thumb pad over it and then push the thumb pad in. And so now here I can grab and climb. So this changes your movement mode. And then to go back, you press the button either on a Vive just above the thumb pad or on the Oculus directly to the side of the thumb pad. All right, and now I'll show you the main tool in this version. It's the prefab placer. So once you click it, you can open it up and here's your palette. On the left side are all your different palettes. So these are sort of the core building block Legos. The bottom one has some trees and foliage. And then the middle one is an entire pre-made floor. Then this button up here minimizes or expands your palette. So once you click one of the slabs, you then now have some new buttons available. On your right hand, you can move your cursor in or out. The grid items don't scale. The trees and the organic items will scale. And then on your left hand, you can rotate it. And then you can also undo, like once you place one, you can undo your last placed object. So that's kind of the core of the prefab tool. It's nice to minimize this to get out of the way once you select a brush. Once you create some objects, you can go into your walking movement mode and it will ground you to the surface so you can walk around your buildings that you've created. Add some nice nature. Once you create some planters. The painting tool is just to like make little markings to share information or ideas with other people on your team. The camera, right now we have takes a second to load it, but you can see this is a little stills camera to generate content to then export and share. Okay, let's go ahead and fly over here to the control panel. We want to make ourselves large because this panel is pretty big. So there's some buttons. You can use these to change these panels. Over here we have a nice little YouTube panel with some broadcore content. Then over here is the art of AvaBot. Yeah, so that's the basics. Thank you. And have fun.